Hi everyone, I'm Tomasz, and today we'll take a look at the Nubium Reformer, one of the best-selling models from Elina Pilates. The Nubium is a great choice for both studios and home use, featuring a modern design, sturdy construction, and smooth performance. Let's dive into its main features and benefits. Elina Pilates Nubium Reformer is a high-quality machine designed for both home users and professional studios. It features a sturdy aluminum frame available in black or white, ensuring durability and a sleek look. The smooth and quiet carriage runs on 8 polyurethane wheels with high-precision bearings, minimizing resistance. For space saving, the Reformer can be stored vertically, making it ideal for smaller studios or home setups. The adjustable headrest has 3 positions, while shoulder rests provide optimal support. The built-in rope storage keeps everything neat. The spring system includes 2 strong red, 2 medium green, and 1 light yellow spring, offering a range of resistance levels. These springs attach to a sturdy bar with 2 settings for fine-tuned adjustments. The Nubium Reformer comes with several accessories to enhance your workout. A medium-sized box allows seated and lying down exercises, while the jump board is great for dynamic cardio workouts. The Reformer also includes padded hand and foot straps for maximum comfort. The foot bar has a quick-release system with 7 height adjustments for smooth transitions. However, it requires both hands to adjust and does not slide like some other models. The ropes have a fixed height, but the stable frame ensures a secure and comfortable training experience. A padded foot platform provides added stability, making exercises more comfortable. The platform is positioned close to the foot bar, eliminating the need for extra attachments. You can also swap the platform for the jump board for more variety in workouts. The adjustable foot strap offers 2 length settings, while shoulder rests can be set narrower or wider to suit different users. Removable loop holders create a flat surface, which is especially useful when using a tower. For easy mobility, built-in wheels allow effortless movement, making it practical for studios and home users alike. The carriage is spacious, measuring 61 centimeters wide and 36 centimeters high, making it accessible for all users. The Reformer is 249 centimeters long, 263 centimeters with the foot bar, and supports up to 150 kilograms. For added versatility, the Nubium can be upgraded with a tower attachment, which includes a roll-down bar, push bar, and safety strap for expanded exercise options. The tower springs offer different resistance levels for strength and flexibility training. Customers love the Nubium for its smooth ride, sleek design, and ease of use. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe to Flexity for more videos and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd like to purchase this Reformer, find it on our Flexity eShop. See you in the next video.